Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube? I am back with another video. I told you guys I'm gonna start uploading again. I kind of fell out the rhythm, but we're back now. I have two things to announce, so don't leave yet if you're gonna leave and be like, damn, he's just talking to me. First of all, I'm gonna break down the trade that I took yesterday. Boom, we made 1700 last night on a nice short on GBPJPY. I really want to break down to you guys. And two, again, I'm here to tell you guys, if you guys didn't watch my last video or if more people are watching this one, I'm opening up one-on-one mentorship. I have 6 people lined up. I'm gonna close it off at 10 to 15. I still don't know yet. It really just depends. But I'm not choosing anything. I'm gathering everybody that has hit me up over DMs, over my YouTube comments, over on Telegram. I'm gathering everybody who I'm gonna choose. Yo, hit me up ASAP. I want to let you guys know that when you guys hit me up, I do reply back with the packaging that I have, right? And there's multiple things that you can choose from. There's different type of mentorships that people can have for all different levels, right? And I am here to help everybody. So I want you to know, regardless of what you guys choose or what you guys want to do, I am here to help. I'm here to negotiate, to talk. I know people are college students. I know people have different time schedules, and I am here to just discuss about anything that you would like differently. I am here. So I just want you guys to know that. But that being said, I broke down GBPJPY. First of all, think about it. One-on-one, me and you, every day. Whatever time you want. As long as I'm awake, I'm answering you back. So I'm breaking down GBPJPY. We have a beautiful trade. So I'm going to get right into the chart and break it down for you guys. So I don't really know why I said deuces, because I'm going to stay my ass right here. So I kind of want to break down GBPJPY though, right? So when I'm breaking down GBPJPY, I'm kind of seeing two things, right? And I'm going to show you what happened, right? So in the beginning of the week, right, we have what? I'm going to show you what we have, right? We have a big impulse up, right? We have price coming up. Let me get rid of that. We have price coming up, creating a higher high, creating a higher low, pulling up, creating a higher high, and now pulling back, right? But before price was going to pull back, we got this higher high. So I was like, hey, listen, I do believe that we hit a nice supply and demand area and we're going to drop down to 161.950, but that is a counter trend trade, right? But I'm going to tell you how I built the confluences, right? So coming into GBPJPY on the daily time frame, I had a higher high, right? You go to the 12-hour, I had a beautiful higher high. I want price to come all the way back down and retest at this level. The previous pivot point marked off right here. We also had a beautiful fib set up right here, right? Lined up perfectly. That's the trade that we want, right? We're gonna have to have patience because price is gonna have to pull back. But over time, we got some nice price action, right? So I'm gonna show you the price action that we got. So now we're at the top at the higher highs, right? So on the higher time frames, I showed you what this looks like, right? We have a higher high and now we're waiting for price to pull back. But what do we get? We get multiple rejections to the upside, right? Not really any structured, but we do end up getting a lower high here and then we end up melting, right? But the reason why I wanted to take the counter trend trade, right, is because I had confluences with it. If I don't have confluences, it's just a counter trend trade, very risky trade. But we have this 50 EMA and the 20 EMA crossing. When that happens and when you have all this rejection that I'm going to mark off to you, I really wanted to take the shorts, right? So I ended up taking shorts in the beginning of the week, right? I ended up taking shorts off this final rejection because of this double at the bottom, and this was my position, right? I ended up closing out like right here, like $200 maybe. And I was like, yo, I'm not gonna take the counter trend trade, right? I'm not gonna take the counter trend trade, but I will come back and see if I can take the longs that I originally wanted. Well, I didn't really wait for longs. So what had happened, right, was right during the pullback, price had created a little bit of structure on the lower time frames. I don't really like to base my trades off the lower time frames, but when you see price is kind of making its way down, but it's creating structure, right? I love structure as long as they're confluences, and I'm going to show you the confluences that I had because it's very, very important, right? So this is the structure that we have. We have minor area support and resistance. We're rejecting it, and boom, this is our first confluence, right? We have a rejection, we have structure, they have a lower high, and we're rejecting this 20 SMA, right? Once we rejected that 20 SMA, I'm kind of looking for other rejections, right? And this is it, this complete break under all the EMAs, and then we're retesting the 50, right? And then we get this bearish candle right here, retesting the 50. So I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, oh my God, bro. Like, I think we're going to go short, but the shorts have to be short-lived because, again, we're looking for longs down here. So experience. Why would I swing this position, right? Why would I swing this position? I should know my risk. I'm only going to target that and nothing else, right? We're going to have, say, stops. because it's a counter trend trade, you got to realize, you got to know what you're getting yourself into. So I'm going to have safe stops. I'm going to have a roomy stop. It was just a 2-to-1. Yo, honestly, I could have squeezed out like a 6-to-1. Like, it was no drawdown. I'm telling you, I could have changed my stop loss from here to here, gone from a 23 pip stop loss to a 10 pip stop loss. Do you know what that does? That's a 5.0 to a 10.0, $100 per pip, right? So what do? Well, we simply just wait, right? Price is going to come up, come up, test, and then drop. And boom, that was the short, right? We got the price action engulf right here, right? Right here where I'm going to draw this ray right there. We're going to change the color of this ray. We're going to make it yellow. We're going to change the color of this ray, right? After this huge engulfing candle in the 15-minute, we never looked back. Once we broke under here, we could have probably added positions. We rejected the 50 EMA, and then we just dropped all the way down for 60 pips. Again, I'm going to show my profit screen right here. And this was the GBPJPY shorts that we took. But I want to show you guys something. Our analysis was to the T. I'm sorry if I sound a little congested. I'm getting a little sick. My little sister got me sick. But this is what happened. Look what happens after we take TP. After price comes down, wicks is down here, takes a TP, just flies, right? And we still would have been safe, but it was just insane to think. And then price just ended up melting, right? We're going to see where we're at right now. And yeah, right. So now we have a completely different structure, completely different setup right now, and it's kind of tricky. But you know, tonight's setup is Thursday night. We're gonna be careful going into Friday, but I'm gonna take the best trade setup that we can get. But that was GBPJPY. A lot of confluences. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys take the chance to try out one-on-one mentorship. DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna pop it up again right here. Boom. One-on-one membership. DM me, and then we're gonna go from there. Again, I'm open to discuss anything about me here. Most important, I'm here to help everybody, right? So that is my GBPJPY breakdown. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Actually, Sunday night. It will be Sunday night. I have a wedding this weekend. I'm going to be very busy. So Sunday night, we're going to get back to it. So love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Deuces.